Hello students, today I will be discussing the theory part of mail merge in this video. So the question arises that what is mail merge? Yes, mail merge is a feature provided by almost all word processors like Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer or LibreOffice Writer. Basically, it is used to send the same letter without or with slight modification to a large number of people at the same time. Yes, to a large number of people at the same time. To understand this, let's take an example. Now suppose I want to send a date sheet to all parents of classes 3rd to 10th. So the letter or matter, that is date sheet, is same but addresses are different. बेटा ये रूटीन वर्क है. दैट मीन्स सपोज आफ्टर एवरी 2 months आई यूज टू डू दिस प्रोसेस. सो इफ आई डू दिस मैनुअली तो इट इज वेरी टायरसम. राइटिंग एवरी टाइम thousands of addresses on the envelope or on the top of the letter. So we can use mail merge for this purpose. So the document that contains the text of a letter which is common to all is called the main document. I am repeating, the document that contains the text of a letter which is common to all is called the main document. And the file containing the list of address of the recipient is called the data source. So what is data source? Data source is the file containing the list of addresses of recipient is called data source. आपको समझ आया मेन डॉक्यूमेंट क्या हुआ? जो हम कॉमन लेटर लिख रहे हैं, जो हमें सबको भेजना है, सेम लेटर जो सबको भेजना है थोड़े मॉडिफिकेशन के साथ. एंड डाटा सोर्स क्या हुआ? जो मैंने अपना डाटाबेस रेडी किया जिसके अंदर मैंने सारे स्कूल का सबका एड्रेसेस डाले. दैट इज दैट लिस्ट ऑफ एड्रेसेस ऑफ द रेसिपिएंट इज नोन एज डाटा सोर्स. एंड नाउ व्हाट इज मेल मर्ज? मेल मर्ज क्या प्रोसेस है? नाउ मेल मर्ज इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ कंबाइनिंग the main document with the data source containing name and address of the recipients. ये उस लेटर में recipients एक एक करके एड्रेस ऐड करेगा, या तो फाइल में सेव करेगा या डायरेक्टली वी कैन टेक आउट द प्रिंट आउट्स ऑफ दैट, एंड दैट फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट इज नोन एज द merged documents. So what is a merged document? Merged document is the final document obtained by merging the main document and the data source. Now the next topic is what are the advantages and disadvantages of using mail merge. So the basic advantage of mail merge is time saving. Second is it is quick and easy to do. Third is it is easy to store the information, like we can store the database for once and use throughout many years. Then only one letter needed to be created every time and old database can be used again and again for sending the same letter. Now the major disadvantage of using mail merge is that information in the database needs to be kept up to date. Means अगर किसी बच्चे का एड्रेस चेंज हो जाता है तो we have to up to date that database. We have to change that address time to time. Okay. Now next is what are the 3 main steps of mail merge process.